Section 12. Government Center. Provinces, cities, and municipalities shall endeavor to establish a government center where offices, agency, or branches of the national government, local government unit of the government or government-owned or controlled corporation may as far as practicable be located in designating such a center. The local government unit concerned shall take into account the existing facilities of national and local agency and office which may serve as the government center as contemplated under this section. The national government, local government unit, or government owned or controlled corporation concerned shall bear the expenses for the construction of its building and facilities in the government center. So dito sa government center, sa loob ng isang province, city, or sa municipality, kailangan kapag nag-establish ka or nag-establish yung yung province na yun or city, municipalities ng isang government unit office or mag-create sila ng government unit, mag-create or mag-merge, yung expenses na yun is bearing na ng local government na responsible sa pagpapatayo ng sector na yon. So dito, lahat ng expenses or yung gagastusin sa pagpapatayo ng building or facilities sa isang lugar na yon is dapat carry ng government unit na nagpapatayo nun. Which is, halimbawa, sa bar, magka-create sila ng another facilities related sa health center. Yung gastos sa pagpapatayo ng health center is dala-dala or yung bar mismo ang gagastos. Walang ibang part ng government unit yung mag-bear nung gastusin ng pagpapatayo ng center na yon. So, Section 13, naming